Good morning, boys and girls. I'm so excited to do your Groves work with you today, and we are going to start like we start every day with our warm-ups. So let's start with whether it rhymes or whether it does not rhyme. You're going to tell me. First I say the words, then you say the words, and then you tell me if it rhymes or not. Okay, box, fox. Now you say it. Box, fox. Does it rhyme? Yes. Pitch, switch. Pitch, switch. Yes, it does rhyme. Held, hide. Held, hide. Those do not rhyme. Skip, cape. Skip, cape. Those do not rhyme. Wear, bear. Wear, bear. Those do rhyme. Done, they. Done, they. Those do not rhyme. And the last one, plug, snug. Plug, snug. Those do rhyme. All right, good job. We are going to do our next warm-up. I say two words, then you say the two words, and you tell me what letter or what sound both words start with. So, big boy. Big boy. What letter or what sound? B, b, b. Fun, fast. Fun, fast. What sound do those start with? Fun, fast. Jump, job. Jump, job. Starts with a J. Quake, quilt. Quake, quilt. What do those start with? Qu, qu, or a Q. Qu, qu. Word, went. Word, went. What sound do those start with? W, w. Pencil, past. Pencil, past. What sound do those start with? P, p. And our last one is blending syllables, so we are going to use our chopper hands, and we're going to chop our syllables, and then we're going to put them together to say the word. Party, party, party. Target, target, target. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Alone, alone, alone. Cloudy, cloudy, cloudy. Sharpen, sharpen, sharpen. Candle, candle, candle. Bottle, bottle, bottle. Two more. Connect, connect, connect. Summer, summer, summer. Good job, boys and girls. So now we're going to go to the next video, which is going to be how to write the letter T with a little bit of review, and then also our workbook. So I will see you in the next video.